A store called Louis Tofu in Yuanli. They are specialized in selling the soymilk, tofu, and coagulant. Zhang is the founder of Louis Tofu. He insists on providing freshly made tofu and soymilk. From the selections of soybean to the entire tofu production process, he do it all by himself. In order to simplify the process and standardize the quality, he decided to invest in Tofu Legend. Efficient productions, save time, save labor, and also able to produce diversified products. For example, soymilk, douhua, tofu, dougan, and so forth. Tofu Legend is the best partners of both Zhang to start his own business. At the exhibitions in the World Trade Center, I saw the automated equipment from Zhongshan. At that time, there's a thought if there is a chance in the future, I could be engaged in this industry. Recently, I saw the food safety issue is serious. We all eat those bad chemicals. If I can make organic soybean products, it can benefit a lot of people. There will be no fertilizer in organic planting. If don't use pesticides and milk killer, I may give consumers a health protections. The environmental will not be destructions too. If the environmental will not be destructions, we will sustainable use of the environment. Creations on the earth will be cured. Every creation can live on the earth. Tofu is most universal. Whether it's a vegetarians or meat eaters, they all like tofu, so I think making tofu is a good business. While I decide to start a tofu shop, I bring Zhongshan Li's machines on my mind. I contact with them and choose Tofu Legend to start my business. I have been doing it about 2 years, start from zero, growing and running slowly. I think this machine is very useful. No matter I want to produce tofu, dougan, soymilk, douhua, these machines can easily help me to produce it. For a beginner, this machine is a great choice. It is easy to operate, save labor, and the quality of products are good.